man has his techniques, and they're all different. But when you know mine, you'll be dead. Is this the best you can do?